good afternoon. Before we start our discussion with my pair, we have introduction. So this is How to Make Million Before Grandma Dies. So I am Tonette Alcabahog.
And I am Kyle Navarez.
So number one question is, how does the movie How to Make the Million Grandma Dies depict the concept of a good life? So for me, makatabang yun po siya sa atoa, then makahatag siya og lesson sa family kay ang story manggod nga ato ang gitan-aw How to Make the Million Before Grandma Dies is dagan siya og matudlo nga aral sa atoa labi na sa mga kabatan-onan karon. So you, Mr. Kyle?
For me, uh, the the movie teach us how make time with our family. Like in the movie, him is chasing wealth while his her grandmother is into chasing into a good relationship between their families. So the lesson is the real meaning of happiness is bonding together with their families.
So yes,
So that
so correct gyud siya no, ang story gyud kay bonding gyud siya sa family even if ang story kay naa siya ka ng betrayal bitaw kay tungod nag-apas sila sa mana nga makuha sa ilang grandma, pero ang ending gihapon is naa gyapon tayo lesson nga makuha labi na sa family nato.
which philosopher perspective on the good life is reflected in the movie. Provide example from the film to support your answer. For me is the philosopher that reflected in the movie is Aristotle, because it is coined by his concept of self flourishing, because like in the movie M's is not wala pa siya kabalo dayon sa kanang sa gitinuod nga meaning sa good life, but throughout the movie na-realize ra niya nga kung sa giday tinuod nga meaning sa happiness, which is to be with his family. And yes, manata.
So for me, the philosopher that I can relate in the movie is Aristotle, because Aristotle said kanang naa siya kuan ba kanang meaning bitaw nga ma-relate gyud nato siya labi na sa movie nga ato ang giwatch nga naay purpose. Giingon na ni Aristotle nga every man has a purpose. So if ato ang tanawon ang movie, naa gyud siya purpose bitaw labi na si grandma og ang grandson niya kay sila man ang kanang bida sa movie. So what does a good life mean to you personally? Which philosopher viewpoint aligns with your definition of a good life and why? So Mr. Kyle?
For me, good life is living the life you dream for with your loved ones. So murag kuan siya sa philosophy of kuan from Socrates. I think kaning the meaning of good life is to fulfill what you dream for, and mo to ang meaning sa mo to ang akong own definition of good life.
So for me, the definition of good life personally is kanang peaceful good and mafulfill na to ato ang life nga happiness kay labi na tong ingon pod ni Socrates and giingon na ni Mr. Kyle. So that is lang peaceful lang yun siya if kanang ano lang pod kanang acceptance sa to ang mga circumstances in our lives. So that's all for today. Thank you, ma'am, and
Thank you, ma'am.
thank you,
And that's all.
Mr. Kyle. So that's all. Thank you. Bye-bye.